Good morning, everybody. You're gonna see this is a typical North Dakota morning here now. So it's very windy, a lot of drifts, a lot of snow. So we're gonna hop out and we're gonna pull a load, okay? Gotta put on my jacket today. It's pretty ugly out. Make my glove. Alright. Let's get out. My jacket. Wind's ripping today. Chin strap on today. The wind's ripping. Let's go check our gauge real quick and see what. Ooh, it's cold. The wind blowing really hard and there's a serious wind chill. Watch, you'll see the snow just flying everywhere. Barely moving. It's gonna work. Not. We'll try it. We'll give it a chance to warm up a little bit. The weather's very, very, very rough on your equipment. Oh, the wind. Valve 7'4". I have to write down on the paperwork. The drift is what you got to watch. Ground cable. No. They're working on that's a work over rig there. And that truck in front of them, the hot oiler truck, and what it's doing is it has water and it's pushing it down the well to test the well, to pressure it. But they're out there in that, working all the time, man. Valve unstuck. Come on. It's always something during the winter. There. We got some water going in. 7'4". Alright. No leaks. Everything's good. Turn our light back here. There we go. That's a little better. We can get the pump going. Very difficult for equipment to work in these conditions. They go a little faster.